Video number 11. Rinse and repeat. Focusing on successful email campaigns. Email marketing is a dynamic endeavor that largely depends upon the changes affecting the market. Also, email marketing strategies can be influenced by new trends in the marketing field, together with the changing needs of the subscribers. A trustable email marketing campaign relies on a series of continuous processes rather than a single plan or strategy that could eventually fail. Not every email campaign you set up will be successful. Some will be successful, while others will fail. You have to develop a rinse and repeat strategy that will guide you on what to do depending on what you achieve with your campaigns. The ultimate email campaign fail. A successful email campaign isn't about carpeting a block of information to subscribers and expecting them to respond to your requests. Instead, it is about developing and building a strong relationship that can increase and even solidify the reputation of your business. In case your campaign fails, it is important that you figure out the problems before abandoning the strategies. Most email campaigns fail at some point. If this happens to you, find out how to reinforce your strategies and integrate them into the new campaigns. Unsuccessful campaigns will drain your resources extensively. Thus, it would be important to discard unsuccessful campaigns, but utilize the positive strategies as reinforcement to other campaigns. Why focus on successful campaigns? Successful email marketing campaigns are useful for follow-up purposes. Follow-up is a critical step that ensures your subscribers are fully engaged in the operation of your business. If your campaign is successful, there is the regular assumption that your subscribers are responding to your emails and even engaging with you at a greater level. Focusing on successful campaigns will allow you to schedule enough time to respond to inquiries made by your subscribers. Nonetheless, you will make your posts confidently knowing that you have an audience that is interested in hearing from you. Successful email campaigns encourage repeat business transactions. This is good for your business and will ensure you gain as much profit as you estimated. There is no need to hang on to unsuccessful campaigns when you have one that is bringing in income and satisfying your subscribers. Subscribers also trust in you and your business when they know that the email campaign is successful. The long-term success of your business depends on the responses you receive from your customers in your quest to keep them engaged. Critical considerations for a successful email campaign. 1. Open rate. The open rate of your emails will help you determine the performance of your strategies. These statistics will guide you in determining the number of targeted email campaigns you should be preparing each month. 2. CTR. Take advantage of a high click-through rate that comes with a successful email marketing campaign. Obviously, it will encourage more traffic to your website. Nonetheless, a high CTR means that you are supplying your subscribers with relevant content. And 3. EPC. The earnings per click number allows your partners to discover how good your product is performing. It also encourages them to promote your activities with the benefit of earning substantially from the revenue generated jointly.